Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to learn how to actually manage what timeout do we want if an element is not visible if there is an error. There is a function called uh, implicit timeout, implicit wait, which you define how much time do you want your driver to wait for an element to appear. So this would be, I think the default is 30 seconds for some browsers, others are not. So we usually define it at the beginning of our script to tell our browser, hey, I only want to wait 10-second max for all elements in my whole script to actually being clicked on, or and if it you can't find it in 10 seconds, then consider that a fail. So let me actually write it down and show you guys. So under my driver equal new Chrome, and after I maximize it, I'm gonna define this function. So it's driver.manage dot timeouts dot implicit wait, and then I want to do let's say 5 seconds, and then the time will be in time unit will be in seconds. So I'm telling my driver that if whatever I'm doing is not found in 5 seconds, consider that a fail. So for example, if let's say I open Firefox or Google or whatever. Let me just open Google Chrome. So let's say, let me close Firefox. So I'm in Google, right? And I wanna click on this button. So in 5 seconds, if the page launched and it couldn't find it in 5 seconds, it's gonna fail. So if I actually have let's say I wrote this wrong, right? I gave the wrong XPath. It's gonna take 5 seconds for it to actually launch, to actually look for it, and after 5 seconds it's gonna say fail. But if I change this to 10, then it's gonna keep looking for it for 10 seconds and so on. So usually I leave it at 15. That would be my my probably maximum that I would use. It really depends on what kind of testing you're using. Depends also on your speed of network. But this is the idea of it, and also I'm gonna teach you guys how to do another wait function, or wait until, which is called explicit wait, and that's a different type of wait that is not like this one is general for the whole driver. There is another wait that allows you to do a wait for certain elements only. So I'm gonna show you guys that in the next tutorial. So this is for you to experiment on. I'm not gonna show you how long it's gonna take to fail and stuff like that. You guys can experiment it, but let me know if you have any questions about it though, and I'll be happy to answer it. So have a good day, guys, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.